What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best washing machines in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick off today's rundown with the Samsung 2.2 cubic foot compact front-load washer, which has rightfully claimed the title of the best front-load washing machine available on the market in 2022. This model will help you remove even the most difficult stains without any need for previous treatments. At the same time, it'll not damage any of your clothes in the washer during work. This washing machine is known for its super fast operation, so your laundry will be completely washed in just 40 minutes instead of the standard 58 minutes. Also, another advantage that users particularly emphasize is reduced noise and vibration. Also, the Samsung 2.2 cubic foot compact front-load washer comes with innovative vibration and noise reduction technology, so you can relax and enjoy your peace and quiet. There's also a smart care function that'll interact with the washing machine through your smartphone. It'll very easily detect potential problems and quickly repair them. It should be noted that you need the Samsung Smart Washer Machine app for this. Another cool item of the product is the possibility of self-cleaning. You don't have to worry about cleaning the drum, but the self-clean function will notify you when you need to clean the laundry tub. In short, every 40 wash cycles, you'll receive a cleaning notification. The Samsung 2.2 cubic foot compact front-load washer comes with a specialty-designed inner diamond drum that'll gently treat all your fabric and clothes, thus extending the life of your clothes and saving you money. There are small openings for water that'll prevent jams and damage to the fabric without any problems. This way, you'll get professional fabric care as well as deep cleaning. Additionally, the Samsung 2.2 cubic foot compact front-load washer comes with Energy Star certification. This means that it uses less energy during operation without reducing the quality of performance, thus saving you money at the same time. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, we present to you the LG WT7800CV top-load washer. In our opinion, the best top-load washing machine on the market in 2022. This device has an Energy Star certificate. It offers an EU Energy Efficiency Index of A++. This means that it consumes 20 to 30% less energy than required by local minimum energy efficiency standards. Furthermore, the LG WT7800CV top-load washer comes with a hot water connection. A hot water connection means that you can supply the washing machine with hot water from the main hot water source. This can be faster than an indoor heater and can save money if you have a cheap and efficient water heater, a great feature. This model's annual energy consumption is 110 kilowatt hours, which is quite a good feature. The more energy a device consumes per year, the less efficient and expensive the energy. Also, this washing machine has a direct drive motor, which means that less energy is wasted on friction. It also means that they're less prone to breakdowns and have a longer lifespan. The direct drive motor makes the machine work more quietly and with less vibration. The height of this machine is 3.7 feet. And we believe that this lower height is better because it improves the handling of the product. Also, the LG WT7800CV top-load washer has an AquaStop system. AquaStop washers have a special mechanical system that stops the flow of water in the tub if there's a failure in the inlet pipe. It has a similar chassis too. We believe that a thinner chassis is better because it makes the product more compact and portable. This product comes with a 1-year warranty. It's recommended that you have a long enough warranty period to ensure that there are no manufacturing defects, neither in the device nor in its accessories. Furthermore, the LG WT7800CV top-load washer features a stainless steel drum as well as 12 wash cycles. You can choose between 5 different temperatures depending on the fabric, as well as 14 washing options. Thumbs up, that's for sure. If you're looking for a portable product, look no further than the Black+Decker Portable Washer. The model we're looking at is fairly small and as such can fit in a small apartment or small house. Setup is also quite simple, as the manufacturer spent a lot of time emphasizing a simple, clean, and precise design that doesn't include unnecessary design features or attributes. It has 1.6 cubic feet of space, which is really impressive for such a portable machine. This washing machine can be used with powder detergent, liquid detergent, or sheet detergent. Those are the only forms of detergent this washer will work with, and if you try to use any other type of detergent, things won't turn out very well. Once you've done this and the washer is connected to a water source, you'll need to select one of the different wash settings. These settings are located on top of the washer, just below the tub door. You can choose one of the 5 washing programs, as well as the size of the load and the washing method you use. There are 5 wash programs to choose from. Heavy, which is for large quantities of heavily soiled laundry. Gentle, which is for smaller amounts of laundry that are not heavily soiled. Normal is the most basic washing program. Fast, which is when you want your clothes to be washed quickly. Soaking is the last program you can use. Soak is ideal for dirty clothes that must be thoroughly soaked with water and detergent due to large stains. You can adjust your water consumption by selecting the load size on the left sidebar, and then you can choose to wash, rinse, and spin depending on your laundry needs. Above those buttons is a screen that shows you how long it takes to wash your laundry. The time it takes to wash your laundry depends on the amount of clothes you have and the settings you've selected. With all these features and settings, using this washing machine is easy, and luckily, the overall washing capabilities of this machine are excellent. Good stuff. The next product we'll talk about in our review list is the LG WashTower Stacked Laundry Center, also known as the best washer-dryer combo washing machine on the market in 2022. The washer has 4.5 cubic feet of space, while the dryer can handle 7.4 cubic feet of fabric. Users especially like that both sections feature an AI technology that helps circulate the specific wash and dry settings your clothes require, eliminating any guesswork. The washer offers 6 wash cycles and 10 rinse cycles, including an allergen cycle that uses steam to get rid of more than 95% of allergens such as pet dander. Also included in the mix is a quick wash cycle that cleans small items in just 15 minutes, another advantage that users have singled out. The LG WashTower Stacked Laundry Center is Wi-Fi compatible, and all washing progress can be monitored and controlled via the LG ThinQ app. This is ideal for homeowners looking for a washer and dryer system that can be stacked with many options. On the downside, this isn't the best option for those who don't have room for stacked units. We must not forget about the smart function of sensors that use AI technology to detect the magnitude of the load and the texture of the fabric. The LG Studio single-unit front-load wash tower with center control package comes in the total size of 79 by 32 by 30 inches, while its weight is 334 pounds. In terms of design, the LG WashTower Stacked Laundry Center is superbly crafted, with an elegant scratch-resistant door specially designed from tempered glass. There are also chrome trims with various details on the control buttons. With this, we've rounded up all the important features, advantages, and disadvantages of this washing machine, so now we can freely move on to the long-awaited gold medal. Finally, we present to you the gold medal and the best overall washing machine on the market in 2022. Meet the Samsung 5.5 cubic foot FlexWash Washer, the winner for today. This product offers 2 washing machines in one, allowing you to wash separate items simultaneously or independently. With 2 individually controlled washing machines in the same unit, you can use 2 types of washing with different settings and options, keeping different types of clothes clean and in great condition. The Samsung 5.5 cubic foot FlexWash Washer uses the power of steam to remove stains using pre-treatment. Unlike other washing machines that release steam from the top, Samsung releases steam from the bottom of the tub, saturating each item in the load and leading to an even deeper clean. Now you can take care of your laundry day from the comfort of your couch. Control your washer or dryer with voice commands from Alexa and Google Assistant. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you remotely stop or start a cycle, schedule laundry on your schedule, receive end-of-cycle notifications, and more right from your smartphone using the SmartThings app. Furthermore, it reduces vibrations by as much as 40% more than its competitors. The innovative tub design and special sensors maintain the balance of heavy loads even at high spin speeds. Upstairs laundry has never been less of a problem. Run the washing machine upstairs while your kids are sleeping. Furthermore, you'll be able to solve problems directly from your smartphone. SmartCare interacts with your washer and dryer immediately to diagnose and offer quick solutions. It keeps the washing machine drum fresh and clean by using a combination of powerful water jets and high-speed spin to remove dirt and bacteria. Self-Clean Plus also sends reminders to clean the drum every 40 wash cycles. Of course, there's also Energy Star certification, so you can save money by saving energy. It's been independently tested against strict specifications and proven to save energy without sacrificing performance or functionality. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. So that's it for the best washing machines of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.